Today you're going to perform an investigation to solve a problem, and you can see here that the scenario is that you have to design an experiment to show that different solutions have different capabilities for eradicating stains. We have a variety of stains that have been placed on this piece of fabric. We have watercolour paint, oil paint, nail polish and correction fluid. We have two different types of solutions, water and acetone. You have to think of a method to be able to solve a problem. So you're looking to see, obviously, if they have different capabilities to remove the stains. How would you go about scientifically showing that one is better than the other? It's up to you to think about the equipment that you've been given. Here we've got measuring cylinders, we've got measuring equipment here, we've got a compass, we've got a ruler, and we've also got these cotton wool utensils to be able to place substances onto the fabric. Okay, so that's for you to think about. You're going to then fill out your ideas onto your template that we've been using in class. Okay, you're going to have to think about the question that you're going to work on for this experiment. You need to think about the variables that you're going to have to change, and you're going to have to think about the variable that you're going to measure. You can design your lab setup here where it says number 2, and you need to think of 10 things that you can keep constant. And when you come up to recording the data, you will have to predict what your data will look like from your knowledge of these substances that we've been learning about in class. Okay, so that is step 1. So you've got about 20 minutes to write your experiment. You can either handwrite it or you can type it, but it needs to be submitted to me on PowerSchool. I'm going to just show you what the second part of the experiment is. You have to go through and you have to provide a reasoning about why you would have expected to get different results using acetone compared to water. You can use drawings, models or diagrams to help you with your answer. And then the final part of this assessment is you're to go through and compare the differences of water and acetone. So you can use a lot of the skills that we've talked about in class for this unit. Polarity, types of atoms, structure, evaporation, and inter and intramolecular bonds. This is an opportunity for you to demonstrate the skills. But if you look on the back, you will see that there is some points here on the rubric that you can follow and double check to see where you're heading in terms of being able to meet the standard and being able to exceed the standard's expectations.